Yes, so we have already understood about intonation. Now here we are going to study about falling intonation. What is falling intonation? This is when your pitch lowers at the end of a phrase or sentence. We use falling intonation at the end of a statement or with a question that uses who, what, when, where, why, or how. So just try to remember the uses of intonation. Falling intonation is used at the end of a statement or with a question that uses who, what, when, where, why, or how at the end of the question. It is falling intonation. Now here some examples are given for statements. I went to a store. See, towards the end, the voice is falling. She has a new car. I have to work late tonight. So, it is falling. My computer is broken. He is coming home. And questions, who was that? What is his name? When will we leave? Where are you going? Why did you leave? How did he fall? So towards the end, it is falling tone. Now remember one more thing here. Sometimes we are there to emphasize something. So when we are emphasizing, then the pitch at that point always rises. Now comes rising intonation. What is rising intonation? This is when your pitch goes up. Falling is when your pitch goes down. Rising is when your pitch goes up. It is used when asking a yes no question. So when we have any yes no question, then it is rising intonation. For examples, is his name John? So here we will answer either yes or no. Is his name John? Rising. Are you leaving? Yes or no? Rising. Are we going to the movies? Rising. Is it true? Can you believe it? So, yes no answers will be there for this questions. Then comes rising versus falling tone. Now for this rising versus falling tone, what we can do, we can contrast the rising and falling intonation between WH questions and yes no questions. So let's see the examples here. Is his name John? What is his name? C. Falling rising, right? Does he have a car? Which car is his? Rising, falling, we are looking here. Are you going to the store? Where are you going? Did you finish the report? When will you finish the report? Is that your boss? Who is that? Are you feeling okay? How are you feeling? Did you take my pen? Why did you take my pen? So, is it clear now? So, here we have seen a few tones. One more is left to do, and that is when we do not use any tone as such. That we will do in the next part of this video. I hope you have understood this. Falling, rising, and then rising versus falling. The difference between rising and falling. I hope you have understood it. If you have any question, you can definitely ask me on the chat box. Thank you very much.